So serious question, why does all the good food have to be so bad for you? So my meal preps this week are gonna be extremely simple. Ground turkey, chopped vegetables, black beans. This is gonna be my lunch meal preps for the week. Get your olive oil, get your ground turkey. I'm using 2 pounds of lean ground turkey. And since Trader Joe's is right across the street from me, all of this is from Trader Joe's. They've already got the veggies all chopped up for me, so I am saving a lot of time that way. This part of this challenge for myself is going to be the most challenging. Not that I hate cooking, it's just, it's time consuming. I gotta prep, I gotta cook it all, I gotta grocery shop, I have to do all of this stuff. I know it'll be worth it in the end, but I mean, come on. Couldn't meal prepping be a little simpler? I'm sure it is, because you can get like those ready to eat meals and that are supposedly better for you, but are they really? This is where it's won or lost when you're talking about health, physique. They said, let food be thy medicine. I get that. It's just, gosh. Carrots can only taste so good, you know what I mean? Yes, this meal prep for my lunches, it's, lean ground turkey, got some nice chopped vegetables. I let Trader Joe's do a little bit of that work for me because they had everything all diced up for me. And I'm adding some black beans for a little extra fiber so that way I can stay a little full throughout the day. It's nice, it's clean, and I also added a little bit of taco seasoning in there for flavor. Cooked it up with some olive oil. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious, but how will I keep evolving this? Because, I wanna keep switching it up and keep changing it because doing the same thing for lunches over and over and over again is gonna start to be really boring. So I have a question, do any of you meal prep? Comment down below. Until the next time.